The Grindrod PropTrax Ten is an exchange-traded fund registered in South Africa.
The fund tracks the price and yield performance of the top 10 JSE-listed property securities as measured by investable market capitalization. In the SAPY Index, it has a market cap of 183 million and a dividend yield of 4.34%. Now this one has equal weightings between the top 10 property stocks, whereas the other property funds are more dominated by the big guys, the redefines and the growth points.
Exactly.
Wait, just take me through that one more time. Say it again.
So it's got an equal weighting. So they take the top 10 property stocks.
So there's
and
no
then
domination of growth point and redefine.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's not reliant on two companies.
Yeah.
Got it.
Exactly.
Is this a good thing?
Yes, absolutely. Because I think clearly there will be times when the one will perform better than the other, but I think we need to look way beyond performance. So yes, you can play, the regular sort of PropTrax or the SAPY indices relative to the PropTrax 10 and say if growth point and redefine are going to outperform, you go for the regular market cap weighted one. But at all other times, you actually rather go for the PropTrax 10. And who's to know which of those will perform better? So why I like the equally weighted is that it gives you very good broad-based exposure to the listed property sector with no domination. Yes, it's concentrated in terms of the property sector, absolutely, but that's why you go for it, because what you're looking for in this one in particular is the yield. And although the dividend yield seems relatively low at 4.34%, I think we also need to understand how the JSE reports dividends. And they don't always report the full yield that a property company actually pays out under dividend yield. There's interest yield components also, so there's additional yields, and I think at the moment it's sitting closer to a 6 to 7% yield, especially when you start looking at on a forward basis, definitely in excess of 6.5%.
We're almost out of time. Byron, do you want to add to the listed property exposure here?
It gives you nice exposure. I think NEPI and Rockcastle are two constituents there. So you've got 20% into two businesses which are operating offshore, nice rand hedges doing really well. So you got more exposure to the smaller innovative businesses. My only concern is that when you have an equally weighted index like this, one of the great things of an ETF is that it filters out the weak and, pays more attention to the strengthening businesses. This doesn't do that.
It's that equal weighting could actually work against you.
That's why I say there are times when this is better, just purely from a performance point of view. I'm prepared to rather take that because I've got the reduced risk on it.
Hot or not?
For me at this stage, it's still hot.
Byron?
Yeah, I'm hot. I think the South African property sector is still offering decent opportunities.
Paul is ingrained in my head. Every time I turn to you, I want to say, Paul, by the end of it, you'll have got it out of me in the next 2 weeks. Definitely be Byron.